Warning guys, this video is extremely cringy. Watch at your own condition and goodbye. See you guys later. Will it be a win or fail? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing dad slime with Dado.
And I'm the dad.
Yes. Come on, I got you covered. You got tissue paper.
Hello.
So,
And Poppy's dressed as a cowgirl. Yeehaw!
No.
She's going to a hold down.
No, I know.
Yeehaw!
Oh.
I can't
So guys, in today's video, we are doing dad slime, and he's going to try out the art of slime.
I love slime.
Yeah, so much. So, take a seat. Right, sit down. No, kneel on your knees. Good job. Okay, so the necessity to slime is to add your glue to your ball. I'll tell you when to stop. That's it. You're good. Yeah. And there you have the first step of slime. Now you need shaving foam that you may use quite often. It's very liquidy. There you go. We need some new shaving foam after this. You die. You do realise you'll probably be trending on YouTube after this. Okay, so now you start your liquid shaving. Oh, wait, no, you need a bit more. There you go. Oh! Slapped it on the floor. Now you need to stir that up. And what colour do you want? What colour?
Blue. How much do
How much blue do you add?
How much blue do I add?
Well, you add as much. Just be the slime.
Feel the slime. Feel the
No,
slime.
no, I said be.
Be the slime.
You have to be the slime. If you were the slime, how much would you want?
This much.
Oh, good job.
Good job!
Hey, Dad. Yeehaw! Okay, so you stir it up and show it to them. It's very blue. Now you need to add some contact lens solution. Now for this you need to just eyeball this.
Eyeball it.
Yeah, go on. Okay. You'll see it start to bind.
Oh! How exciting. Oh.
The magic is happening. Don't touch it yet though, trust me. Right, now you need to be the slime again.
Be the slime.
Now, does it look sticky?
It's very sticky. It's hard to stir.
Excuse me. There you go. So now what you need to do is you need to do this. Wait, stop stirring. Now you need to see, this is a good slime so far now. So now, because you're a rule breaker and a rebel, you'll need to do this.
What?
Lift it up with your fingers.
Really?
I know it's very sticky, but it will become unsticky if you need it.
Right, what do I do?
So, put...
What do I do?
Now what you do is fold it into the slime like you're baking a cake, so just fold it in.
I'm covered in blue.
Of course you're covered in glue, Dad. This is slime.
Fold what in? What am I folding in? No!
Now you need to flip, so you need to pull and flip, pull and flip, pull and flip, pull and flip, pull and flip. And then dip your finger in and use your finger as a stirring utensil.
Right. Right, get away from me.
Get away.
Pull and flip. Oh, pull and flip. Pull and flip. Pull and flip. flip, stirring, lots of stirring.
And now lots of contact lens solution.
Oh,
This will make it unsticky.
unsticky. Unsticky bop. Dee. Unsticky bop. Dee.
Unsticky bop.
Poppy!
Mom, we need your help. No, we don't.
No, we don't. We don't need mummy.
It's everywhere. What's all over the floor?
Shaving foam.
Oh, we're in trouble. Momo's mad. I've got blue all over my fingers.
There's no way to hide this stuff.
Oh no. What? I thought.
Okay, guys, so I will see you after the activation process.
Bye.
So, guys, we have a completed slime from Dado. He actually made a really good one. So, listen to these sounds. Listen. Hello. And it's actually really stretchy when it doesn't work. And he keeps on nibbling.
And Poppy's still going to a hold down.
So, as well, it's really, really stretchy. And yeah, Dad likes it. So now to finish this slime off, I have a ready-made pink slime that was made by Daisy. And do not touch this.
Hello.
Now we're going to combine
Hi,
the two
Daisy.
together to make a unicorn slime. So you place it gently on the top.
A book.
And now you wait for it for 1 day to set, and then it'll be combined with each other. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please excuse the cringe of Dad.
Bye.
Hey
Bye.
guys, so here's a clip of the finished slime, and I can't wait to show you. So it's really good. It's fused in. So let's test it. This poke, guys. Might need a bit more activator. This is amazing. This is so thick. Oops, sorry guys. It's a bit sticky, but it's still amazing. So guys, the pink and the blue didn't fuse well together. I think there's too little pink and too much blue. But that's okay. At least we had fun making it. So make sure to leave down in the comments #slime and #slothy Basset Squad. See you guys later. Bye. This is so good. I might be playing with this for the next 5 days. Just admire this.